This is the last video of the Speak with Authority playlist, but arguably one of the most important ones. If you know this one thing, it will be very easy for you to transform into a good, impactful communicator. But if you completely miss the point, it's going to land you in a lot of trouble. It's called the love versus fear line. And once you know where you are actually operating from, it's going to dictate your transformation. There are two types of people. The first type of person is someone who transforms to please, and this could be pleasing their boss, pleasing friends and family, or sometimes even pleasing yourself. And usually what happens is this sort of person is someone who is coming from a desperation mindset. Maybe they are failing their interviews, or they are stuck in their job and they really need that promotion and are operating from fear. When you operate from fear, you pressurize yourself so much that even though you achieve and transform, you don't feel good about it. You feel something is lacking, you feel like it's not enough, and it becomes a huge problem because you are transforming to please. The second type of person is someone who transforms to express. Now they know they are qualified, they know they are smart, and they are great with their technical ability, but something is holding them back and they are not able to express in an authentic and authoritative way. So they work on their transformation so that they can express themselves better. And this usually comes from a place of love and growth. It is very important for you to come with the mindset of the second sort of person rather than operating from fear. In fact, whenever I work with clients and I hear somebody is trying to transform their communication because they are struggling with their job or with interviews, I humbly decline. I say that I may not be the right coach for you. But if you're someone who knows you have great ideas and you want to further fine-tune them and improve them, you're coming from that space of abundance, I'm happy to work with you and bring you those results. So if you're someone who's actively looking for one-on-one coaching and you want to unlock the inner authoritative communicator within you, then in the description of this video, there is a link to why I started the Speak with Authority program and all its details. You can have a look and directly purchase the Speak with Authority program from there. Or if you want to have a call with me before you take the decision, then feel free to book a consultation call and let's discuss how we can bring you to your goals of becoming an impactful communicator. And thank you for watching this playlist, and hopefully now you know the real problems to work on.